CBOE files to list Van Eyck's proposed Bitcoin ETF. This is huge, dude. This is huge news. Globally leading exchange holding company, Chicago Board Options Exchange. This is where all the options are made. This is where all my Apple options are right now that I have. These are all made through the CBOE. That's what makes this really interesting, you know? Has filed to list a Bitcoin exchange traded fund proposed by asset manager Van Eyck. CBOE filed a Form 19B4 requesting permission to list the ETF from the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission on January 3rd. In the form, the CBOE emphasizes the benefits of the ETF would offer to retail investors over the spot Bitcoin market, including custody. Exposure to Bitcoin through an ETP also presents certain advantages for retail investors compared to buying spot Bitcoin. Most notable advantage is custodian to custody the trust Bitcoin assets. I don't understand that. Wouldn't I want to just custodial my own Bitcoin? It's like fucking gold. Like, you don't want, if you're going to store gold for a hedge against some bad shit happening, if it's on the stock market, you're never getting to it, you know? Did not reveal its custodian source. The document notes its custodian is a trust company chartered and registered by the New York Department of Financial Services. I guarantee you it's probably like, it's either Gemini or Coinbase. I bet you it's fucking Coinbase for real. Coinbase does BlockFi and everything else. Gemini actually does BlockFi's, I'm pretty sure. Once the SEC has formally acknowledged it is reviewing the application, the regulator has 45 days to deliver its verdict or extend the assessment deadline. The SEC can extend its deliberation period for up to 240 days. So this could go on for a whole fucking year. If approved, the ETF would be the first crypto product offered by the CBOE since February 2019, with CBOE having then ceased offering Bitcoin futures contracts in December 2017. CBOE became the first regulated financial institutions to offer Bitcoin futures contracts. Oh, they stopped that? I didn't know they had stopped that. I thought you could still do Bitcoin futures. So is Grayscale the only like taxable trading account, like stock account that you can play Bitcoin? In January, Van Eyck filed for SEC approval, blah, 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 blah. However, Van Eyck's latest filing has become subject of a lawsuit from Solid X, who alleges Van Eyck plagiarized their product. Whoa. ETF tracking the performance of prominent crypto firms. On January 21, the product would see the price and performance of the global. So these are going to be like firms? Is it not going to be cryptocurrencies? They're gonna want to get like Coinbase and stuff like that in the ETF. They're gonna have like Coinbase and Mara and Riot, all the miners. They're gonna have all the miners in there. They're gonna have. So we'd be looking at an ETF, and let's look at this over like 1 year's performance here, just to like look at stuff. You'd have like Riot in there. You'd have like Mara in there. Let's say these are both Bitcoin miners. Coinbase, whenever Coinbase does its IPO, you're going to get Coinbase in there. What other exchanges are like, are there any other, how other publicly can you play? Oh, you'll probably get Master in there. You'll probably get MicroStrategy for sure will be in there. Tesla will be in there now. Wow. That's going to be actually a really strong ETF. I'm not against that. I'm not against having that in the portfolio, if you think about it. Didn't MasterCard say they're fucking with some Bitcoin? You're going to get Square in there. You're going to get PayPal in there. Oh my God. This is looking better and better every second I think about it. You're going to get PayPal. You're going to get Square. Dude, you're going to get some of the larger banks. Who else said they were starting to mess with it? MicroStrategy. That's going to be interesting. See, that's a very interesting news article there. I would buy into that ETF, right? That's an ETF I could fucks with. Goldman Sachs, you think Goldman Sachs will be in there? And Citi? Now I want all in. It's going to be a Bitcoin and crypto exposed ETF. Thank you for watching the YouTube videos. We really appreciate it. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, subscribe, comment down below, help us out with the YouTube algorithms. And we're live 5 days a week on Twitch, 7 a.m. to 2 p.m. EST. Come check us out. Thanks for watching.